Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with Coinbase. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, what you have to do is there are going to be few things that you need to take note here. Usually what you need to do here in order for you to add people is you just need to add a payment method. Now in order for you to do that, you just need to go to your profile in the top right here and you want to go ahead and go to your settings. Now under settings, what we need to do next is we just need to go ahead and access the option here for payment methods. Go ahead and click on it, and in here you should be able to see all your payment methods, but just click on add a payment method option, and usually depending on your region you will have or you should be able to add people here as a payment method. Now the thing here with Coinbase is they work or they operate differently depending on where you currently at. For example, if you are in Asia, PayPal might not be a way or a payment method that you could add it to your account. But for this case, like Australia and the US, you could add your PayPal account here, which in this case is something really unfortunate if you can't add it in here. But typically speaking, if you do have the option to add PayPal, just select it, just log into your account, and that should connect your PayPal account with your Coinbase. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to connect PayPal with Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.